He's just standing there, menacingly!
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I made this montage from a car meet with our Discord members. If you would like to participate, you can easily join the Discord server via the link in description. Anyway, hope you enjoy, and as always, if you're new here, a like and sub will be appreciated. Sorry if the video is too short. We had a lot of people which were ramming to everyone and the members wasn't really listening to us. Anyway, we'll try to make it better next time.
Brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Cold, these brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.